Righto, last thing we're going to do is we're going to animate this. So we want to set this one here, and we're going to right click, come on, select my part, try that again, select our Revolute mate, and we're going to animate it. So we're going to go, let's do 2 full revolutions, which is 720 degrees. And we'll do 150 steps, sounds pretty good. We'll just loop it and push play, and you're going to see that the whole thing is now animated, rotating beautifully. You've just created yourself a working part virtually using Onshape. You've animated it, it just looks fantastic. So, good job lads. Make sure you show your folks what you're doing, because this is a pretty big step for you guys. Have a good day.